Hey there, Wall Street winners. It is aftermarket close on Monday, August the 25th. And if you're following the news headlines, you'll know that NVIDIA is set to release earnings results after market close on Wednesday of this week. And if you're looking for some trading ideas of other companies other than NVIDIA, maybe you're a little nervous about NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA is going to pop in terms of its stock going up after its earnings announcements, based on some good news coming out of China sales that have been that the U.S. now allows, as long as NVIDIA pays a 15% tax to the U.S. to sell the H20 chips into China. But if you're looking for some other ideas, if NVIDIA goes up, I think Rigetti, RGTI, is an interesting play this week because I believe it will get lifted as well with NVIDIA. NVDL is obviously the Granite Shares 2 times ETF. So this is a great one to increase your exposure to NVIDIA without owning NVIDIA. This is a stock I bought today at market open and did quite well on, sold off some, and then bought it back as it dipped towards the end of the market close. Another one to keep an eye on here that I think will do very well and has yet to report on earnings as well is AVGO. And I've probably gone right past it, but AVGO is Broadcom. And there it is. And Broadcom has dropped down from the 313, 310 range down in the 294 range. This is another one that I think will pop with NVIDIA. And then another one to take a look at is Micron. Here it is, MU. Micron is a company out of Boise, Idaho, and it is been up in the 120s, high 120 range, now back into the mid 110 range. It has not reported earnings. It doesn't report earnings until late September, the 24th of September after market close. I think this is one that could run up into the 130s or 140s on good earnings out of their on their own earnings, but will pop slightly and get lifted with NVIDIA earnings. And then finally, the one that I really like the most is TSM. And I bought into some TSM today as well, near market open, and watched that go up. And then sold it off and exited that position. But down in the 235, I think this has room to move up to the 240 to 250 level, based on what we've seen in recent movements. So that's what I would take a look at if you're looking for some semiconductor options and ways to profit from the news announcement this week. Good luck in your trades. And if you like the video,